Hello, my name is Kevin from Greenspace Architects, and I'm here to share my top 5 design ideas on how to get the wow factor on a budget. Number 1 is aspire. Aim to create something you will love, because on day 1, nobody is telling you you can't have something. Blank sheet of paper, what would it be? Don't have to have something mundane. You can demand the best, whatever your budget, whatever your size of your project. And invest in design. It really will pay dividends. And strive for beauty and delight. You're going to live in this place for a long time. It's got to be perfect for you. Number 2, work with what you've got. The site is a place already. Use what's there. So you have the sun rising in the east and setting in the west. You have daylight. You have views to and from the building. Capture them. You may have existing structures you can use. Work with those. Outdoor space and the wider context and landscape. Bring those into the house itself. They all come as part of the package. You don't have to pay extra for them. Number 3, simplicity. Do a few things well. Simplicity of form, like a cube. Simplicity of composition, so there's just a couple of elements, not lots and lots of elements, lots of different materials. Simple layout. And then a limited palette of materials to read. And we have a rule of 3 that you make 3 materials do everything. And then you can work into the details and have fun with those. Number 4 is size. Keep it a modest size. It leaves more money to spend on the things you want to have. Don't make it too big. You can use something called enlargement to make it seem bigger than it is by placing screens between elements. Avoid dedicated circulated space, avoid corridors, but don't go too small. And number 5, work with what's needed. You need to have windows, doors, walls, floors, ceilings, kitchens, stairs, bathroom fittings, materials, finishes and furniture. Work with all those elements and choose some to be the real feature out of it. You've got to rise the thing above building, and working with an architect, you'll have something which touches your heart and it's beautiful. That is architecture, and it can be achieved, whatever your budget.